Now it's all systems go as international boxing returns to Jamaica, with Saturday's Red Ground Productions rumbling the Sun card at the National Indoor Sports Centre. The boxers had their weigh-in on a Friday afternoon at the AC Marriott in Kingston. Karen Madden has our preview.
In what promises to be a mouth-watering night of boxing, two-time world heavyweight champion Donovan Razor Ruddock will take on multiple world champion James Lights Out Tony of the United States, with both talking tough at Friday's weigh-in. The 59-year-old Ruddock, who last fought 8 years ago, tipped the scales at 260 pounds. He wants to give back to his Jamaican charities, but on Friday he could not help but take a jab at his opponent.
James, no, he's a middleweight and he's supposed to stay in the middleweight. He cannot come into heavyweight and try to take over the heavyweight. But I'm going to let him know that this is where the big boys play. Okay? This is where the big boys play. Yes, that?
But the 55-year-old Tony, who came in at 13 pounds lighter than Ruddock at 247 pounds, was in the mood.
I'm coming into his home, a beautiful place, Jamaica, and I'm going to take over, period. Red Ground and Life Driven and foundations are on top of the world, baby. We're ready to go.
Another fight that should provide lots of thrills for the fans features Mexican Angel Mendoza, who boasts a record of 38-0, and Aristides Perez of Colombia in the welterweight division.
I think I'm going to be going one round. I want to knock him out in the first round, and I'm probably going to knock him out out cold. He's going to be on the ground, gasping for air. My main goal is to win a world title, and hey, who knows, maybe fight for the world title here in Jamaica.
Jamaican favorite Tetsi Davis is also looking to put the lights out of Jermaine Bowen.
Well, it's an important fight and it's a pleasant, I would say no, because James Stone is here, always analyze. And I see him today and so forth here, so it just been a good thing for me, excited to on this pay-per-view fight and things. So everybody expects Tetsi Davis always put on a good fight in Jamaica.
Trust me, I look forward for that fight because Tetsi is a legend in that game. Basically, if you get the opportunity to fight him, it's a big opportunity and I'm going to make use of it. Well, it all depends to him, you know. If he can't go the runs, I have to go stop him.
Part proceeds from Saturday's fight will go towards Ruddock's alma mater, Good Hope Primary in St. Catherine. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.